Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about matrices in this video. Okay, so if we talk about a matrices. So if we talk about a matrix is nothing but simple arrangement of numbers in the form of rows and columns. Like you have seen the arrangement in an Excel sheet, the same way the numbers arranged in rows and columns in the form of rows and columns, that is called a matrix, right? Columns. So for example, if I say that matrix is always represented in this bracket or the square bracket, remember this thing. So if I write the numbers as 2, -1, 0, space देते हैं, commas नहीं लगाते हैं इसमें, 3, 7, 4. So this arrangement is known as a matrix, right? So how many rows are there? 2 rows are there. This horizontal arrangement is called row. So this is one row, right? And this is one row. So horizontal arrangement is called row. So there are how many rows? 2 rows. And next we talk about column. So we can say that this vertical arrangement 1, 2 and this 3, this vertical arrangement is called column. So how many columns are there? There are 3 columns in this. So we can write C1, C2, C3. So when we say the order of a matrix, this represents the size of matrix. It is represented as M cross N. So M means number of rows, M means number of rows and N means number of columns, right? So if I talk about M cross N, there are 2 rows in this and 3 columns. We will write it as 2 cross 3. 2 rows, 3 columns. So we'll say order of this matrix is 2 by 3. Now what we call as each element of this matrix, we will say that each element of the matrix is, each element of the matrix means each entry in this matrix. So in this matrix we have 6 elements. 6 entries means we have 6 elements. 2, -1, 0, 3, 7, 4. So these are the 6 elements of the matrix, right? So each element has its address as well, and always remember I am taking the same matrix. Suppose A is equal to, so 2, -1, 0, 3, 7, 4. The same 2 by 3 matrix I have taken here, and matrix is always represented by a capital letter. And each element is represented by a small letter. For example, if I will be saying that small letter, corresponding small letter, so small a, 1, 1, it means this 1, 1 means what? First element, first number always represent a row, and this second number always represent a column. So if I am saying 1, 1, it means the element at the intersection of first row, first column. First row is this and first column is this. So element at its intersection is 2. We will say 2 has the address A11, right? Now if I say A12, again 1 is representing row and 2 is representing column. First row, but we have to take second column now. So it is -1, right? Third thing is that if I say A13, it means that first row, third column. First row is this and now we will take third column. So it means we are talking about this element 0. Now what should be the address of this 3? What should be the address of this 3? 3 is at the intersection of, सबसे पहले row देखनी है, second row और first column. तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? A21. Second row, first column is 3. Now this 7 is at the intersection of second row, second column. तो इसका एड्रेस हो जाएगा A22. 7. ठीक है. Now A23. A23 means second row. This is second row and third column. So it means we are talking about the element 4. So each element of the matrix has its address. You will understand this with the help of one more example. For example, if I have to form a matrix A of the order 2 by 2 with each element Aij taken as I plus j whole square upon 3. Now I have to form this matrix A. So what I will do is, सबसे पहले आप मैट्रिक्स के 4 एलिमेंट्स लिख लो. यू मार्क द एलिमेंट्स. 2 by 2 मैट्रिक्स है तो 2 इसमें रोज होनी चाहिए और 2 कॉलम्स होने चाहिए. ठीक है. तो अब इनके एड्रेस क्या होंगे. सपोज ये वाला एलिमेंट अगर हम लेते हैं, ये फर्स्ट रो, दिस इज R1, दिस इज R1, राइट, and this is R2, this is column 1 and this is column 2. Now if I take address, तो इसका एड्रेस क्या होना चाहिए. एलिमेंट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय स्मॉल लेटर. पहले हमेशा रो लिखेंगे फिर कॉलम लिखेंगे. तो ये क्या होगा, A11 फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम. ये क्या होगा, A12 फर्स्ट रो सेकंड कॉलम. ये क्या होगा, A21 सेकंड रो फर्स्ट कॉलम. और ये क्या होगा, A22 सेकंड रो सेकंड कॉलम. सो व्हेन आई से वी हैव टू राइट A11, अब ये किसको रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है, रो को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है, और ये बाद वाला नंबर कॉलम को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. और Aij क्या है, I प्लस जे होल स्क्वायर अपॉन 3. तो यू रिप्लेस I बाय 1. ये देखो ये Ij है, राइट. तो ये I है, ये J है. तो इट इज I प्लस जे होल स्क्वायर, यानी कि 1 प्लस 1 whole square upon 3. So it means the number will be 2 का square upon 3, यानी कि 4 by 3. Now if I say what should be A12, अब 1 I को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है और 2 J को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. So it will be 1 plus 2 whole square upon 3. So it will be 3 का square 9 upon 3. 9 upon 3. It will be 3. Now if I say A13, A13 तो है नहीं, A21 नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट क्या होगा, A21. अब यहाँ पे 2 है I और J है 1. So it will be 2 plus 1 whole square upon 3. So again it will be 9 by 3, which is equal to 3. And the fourth element is A22, which will be equal to 2 plus 2. I 2 है इसमें और J भी 2 है. ये I है, ये J है, right. So it will be 2 plus 2 whole square upon 3. It means 4 का square 16 by 3, which is 16 by 3 obviously. So when we have to write the matrix, so how we will write the matrix, just see. Matrix A will be written as, any bracket you can use, either round bracket or the square brackets. So A will be written as A11, replace it by 4 by 3. तो A11 की वैल्यू क्या है, 4 by 3. फिर A12 की वैल्यू क्या है, 3. A21 की वैल्यू क्या है, 3. और A22 की वैल्यू क्या है, 16 by 3. And the order is 2 by 2. So this is how we can form the matrices. I hope the concept of matrices is clear to everyone. Thank you.